To download Windows 11, first, ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements. You'll need a compatible 64-bit processor, 4 GB of RAM, and at least 64 GB of storage. Once that's confirmed, head over to the Microsoft website. Look for the Windows 11 download page. You can choose to use the installation assistant for a straightforward upgrade or create a bootable USB drive if you prefer a clean install. If you opt for the bootable USB, download the Media Creation tool, run it, and select Create Installation Media. Follow the prompts to set it up. Once your USB is ready, restart your PC, enter the BIOS, and boot from the USB. Remember, back up your files before proceeding. After installation, you'll be greeted with a sleek new interface and enhanced features. Enjoy exploring the new capabilities of Windows 11.